In the heart of the vibrant Mini Chefs Academy, Chef Beary Blossom and her cheerful companions, Bunny Baker, Panda Pâtissier, Kitty Cooks, and Squirrel Sous Chef, were preparing for another day of culinary adventures. Little did they know that an enchanting discovery awaited them. One sunny morning, as Chef Beary was perusing the Academy's library, she stumbled upon a dusty old book with golden pages. It was the Enchanted Recipe Book, an ancient tome that held the secrets to magical dishes. With wide-eyed excitement, Chef Beary gathered her mini chefs and shared the news. Mini chefs, today we embark on a magical quest to create a spellbinding dish. This enchanted recipe book holds the key to flavors beyond our wildest imaginations, declared Chef Beary, her eyes sparkling with anticipation. The young chefs, dressed in their colorful aprons, followed Chef Beary as she flipped through the pages of the mystical book. Each recipe unfolded like a fairy tale, promising wonders that transcended the ordinary. Our quest begins with collecting rare ingredients scattered across the Academy grounds. Are you ready, my dear mini chefs? Chef Beary asked, her excitement contagious. With a chorus of enthusiastic, "Yes, Chef Beary," the mini chefs set off on their magical culinary adventure. The Enchanted Recipe Book guided them to find ingredients like sparkling sugar crystals, rainbow berries, and giggling vanilla clouds. As they explored, the young chefs encountered delightful challenges that required them to count magical mushrooms, identify vibrant colors of enchanted flowers, and recognize different shapes of whimsical fruits. With each discovery, the mini chefs filled their baskets with ingredients, their laughter echoing through the Academy. Suddenly, as the day turned to evening, the Enchanted Recipe Book revealed a plot twist. The final ingredient, a shimmering star fruit, could only be obtained from the top of the Academy's tallest tree. Undeterred, the mini chefs formed a pyramid, with Bunny Baker at the bottom, Kitty Cooks in the middle, Panda Pâtissier on top, and Squirrel Sous Chef balancing on Panda's shoulders. As Bunny Baker reached for the starfruit, the tree sparkled with a burst of magic, showering them with colourful stardust. With the rare ingredients secured, the mini chefs returned to the kitchen, their baskets brimming with magical treasures. Chef Beary Blossom, with a gleam of pride, led them in creating the Enchanted Delight, a dish that sparkled, twinkled, and tasted like pure magic. As the mini chefs enjoyed their enchanted creation, Chef Beary shared a gentle lesson. Just like in our quest, cooking is a magical journey where we learn, explore, and create wonders together. Every dish tells a story, and our magical adventure today will be a tale to remember. In the lively kitchen of the Mini Chefs Academy, Chef Beary and her team embraced the enchanting spirit of cooking, where each day held the promise of discovery, laughter, and the joy of culinary magic. And so, with hearts full of enchantment, they eagerly awaited the next whimsical adventure in their culinary journey. In the heart of the lively Mini Chefs Academy, Chef Beary Blossom, Bunny Baker, Panda Pâtissier, Kitty Cooks, and Squirrel Sous Chef were ready for another adventure. Today, Squirrel Sous Chef had a surprise for everyone, an enchanting event called the Sizzling Storybook Supper. Squirrel, that sounds like so much fun. What's the twist today? Chef Beary Blossom asked, her eyes sparkling with curiosity. Squirrel Sous Chef, with a mischievous grin, explained, "Each of you will be creating dishes inspired by your favorite storybooks. Let your imaginations run wild, and let's bring the magic of our beloved tales to life through our cooking." Excitement bubbled through the kitchen as the mini chefs brainstormed their favourite stories. Bunny Baker chose a classic tale about a mischievous rabbit. Panda Pâtissier opted for a story about a magical baking adventure. Kitty Cooks selected a story filled with yummy treats, and Squirrel Sous Chef decided on a woodland story featuring nuts and berries. As the mini chefs prepared to embark on their culinary journey, Chef Beary Blossom noticed a perfect opportunity to teach numbers and colours. "Let's count the ingredients together, mini chefs. Bunny, how many carrots do you need for your rabbit-inspired dish?" she asked. Bunny Baker giggled and said, 1, 2, 3, 4 carrots. The kitchen echoed with laughter and the delightful sounds of counting. With baskets full of ingredients, the mini chefs dove into their cooking adventures. Panda Pâtissier whipped up magical cupcakes with colourful frosting. Kitty Cooks crafted delightful cookie towers, and Squirrel Sous Chef concocted a nutty stew filled with flavours from the forest. As they cooked, Chef Beary Blossom seized the opportunity to teach shapes. "Can you find a round ingredient for your dish, Panda? How about a square one, Kitty?" she asked. The kitchen buzzed with activity as the mini chefs searched for the perfect shapes to complement their dishes. Just when the sizzling storybook supper seemed to be sailing smoothly, a challenge arose. The power went out, casting the kitchen into darkness. Gasps and whispers filled the room. Chef Beary Blossom smiled, knowing that challenges often led to exciting discoveries. "Mini chefs, let's use our senses to finish our dishes. Cooking in the dark can be an adventure too." With newfound courage, the mini chefs relied on touch, smell, and taste to complete their magical creations. The aroma of cupcakes, cookies, and nutty stew filled the darkened kitchen, creating an enchanting atmosphere. When the lights flickered back on, the mini chefs were amazed at what they had accomplished. The sizzling storybook supper had turned into a tale of resilience, creativity, and teamwork. As they sat down to enjoy their storybook-inspired feast, Chef Beary Blossom shared the final lesson of the day. Sometimes, challenges become the most exciting part of our adventures. Embracing them with creativity and teamwork makes the journey even more magical. With hearts full of joy and bellies full of deliciousness, the mini chefs continued their journey in the Mini Chefs Academy, a place where learning, creativity, and fun never ceased.